I'm back with another praise lesson, which this time I'm gonna take it very easy for you guys. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to play very well on Ghanaian praise, I recommend you watch this video. And I also do private class lessons, so if you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the breakdown. So we'll be doing a common Ghanaian praise, that is Asafu, Asafu ye owa. And let me show you how to play on a simple song praise progression. Okay, so let me give you a simple example, then I'll show you how you can do it. So let's look at the progression. Okay, Asafu. So it is a 1 and 5 back to the 1 progression. 1 5 5 1. Okay, so you can do something like this. Asafu. So that is 1 3 4 5 5 1. Or you can do something like this. Asafu. So I've given you 2 bass line on that 1 5 1 progression. So 1 3 4 5, your octave 5 and your root 5, then you come back to the 1. Or 1 5 5 1 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, so let me give you another one. So you see, what you need to put in mind is how are you going to go to the 5 progression. That is going to give you the groove. Okay, so as you can see, the first one, I went to the 5, then back to the 1. So you understand. So how can you groove on the 5? And 1 5 5 1 5 and 1, and the third one is 1 1 2. That is 2 6. You descend 6 flat 5, then 5 1. You see, it's making sense. So in any song where you be having 1 5 1, or so now let's continue. Asafu, Asafu 2 3 4 4 2 5 5 1. So you see that I was going up 2 3 4, then 2, then 5, I'm ending, then 1. So how can you play a bass line to that progression where you be going from 1 4? It's just the same like 2 3 4. You are just climbing. Okay, so this is what I can give to you. Okay, this is a simple bass line you can learn, but you need to be fast and smart on it. So it's like this: 6 2 5 1 4 6 2 5 1 4. Then you can also do it this way: 2 7 1 3 4. This is the most common one people know, but you can do 6 2 5 1 4 or 2 7 1 3 4. So this was the one I first used: 6 2 5 1 4. And now you'll be going to the 2 6 1 2. Remember, you'll be going to the 5 3 4 6 5. So if you're ending any praise song, this is how you should end it: 2 3 4 6 5 5 1. It works in many songs. You understand? 2 3 4 6 5 5 1. So you take it slow. Asafu. Okay, so now before you be going to the Asafu, you have to go to the 6 before you do 2 3 4, then 2 and your 5 5 1. Asafu, Asafu Yehovah. So this is how you can go to your 6 in any praise song. You can do it this way. That is 1 1, then 3, then 1 7 6. You understand? Or you can do that is 1 1 3 1 2 6. Please, if possible, write them down. Okay, 1 1 3 1 7 6. 1 1 3 1 2 6. 6 2 5 1 4. Then now you'll be going to the 2 6 1 2. Put that in mind. If you are going if you're on a 4 going to a 2, you do 4 6 1 2, then you end 3 4 6 5 5 1. Safu yeah. 6 1 2 3 4 6 5 5 1. Now let me play it with the song and see. Okay, so this is another bass line you can add to that shuffle, but let me take you straight forward to that second one. Oh, so you can just use this bass line on that. Oh, I'm going to give you another bass line to that. Okay, so you can learn this one. Okay, so that is 1, your 5, then 1 1, then 5 1. You understand? Okay. Oh, ta 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 ta. So if you're going to the you do your 6 2. Remember that if you're going to the 2, you can play the 6 6 2 5 safu safu Yehovah ni You see, learn this one too. Then when you learn this one, you can mix it up with the first one. Feel like you are playing a stick. Just like that. So the first one is then okay. So let me show you something. Just want you to get a timing. So 1 5 5 1 1. Okay. Safu. Then you'll be bringing on the passing note to descend very well. 1 5 5 1 1. Then 7 6. You can play your 6 here and play 3 3 6 6. But it's gonna be too heavy. So when you play 6, you play your 3 3 3 6 6. Okay. 6 3 3 6 6. You understand? Then 2 6 6 2 2 5 2 2 5 5. Just like that. 1 5 5 1 1. Safu Safu Yehovah ni just like that. You can also apply this. Oh, Nyakupon, Dara, Dara, 2 6 6 2 2 1 5 5 1 1. You can just be playing this on a 1 and 2 progression. Just simple. What matters is the groove, and you're playing steady bass line, and you are good to go. You understand? Okay. So let me try and mix them up. So when you master it very, very well, you'll be able to apply them on your simple phrase progression. Okay, so I'll be leaving the rest to you. Learn them and master them and start using them out there. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.